Welcome to the Chapmanville house here in Chapmanville, West Virginia. It's our new spa. So this was custom built for this location down in scenic Palm Bay, Florida. Brought here and just about lifted in by helicopter and four-wheel drive ATV. Anyhow, we just put the top on it. We're not completely done with installation, but I thought I'd point out a few things that are fresh in mind. Really good for the new user here. So this is a 6-person plus 2 spa. It has a one-handed or hold your beverage in one hand while opening the top rack system here, and also a 30-minute automatic shut-off. So basically, hold the top and push it there. This is nice. It provides a little bit more privacy. And you get to see a nice little bluebird house over there. There's a couple bluebirds living in there still. They had a whole bunch of eggs and babies in the spring hatched out. And we also have our bird feeders located here and some hummingbird feeders over there. So anyhow, a couple more points here about the spa. So this is a 6-jet system. There's actually 2 extra spots. Technically, you can sit on one there, and then this seat here has no jets for those your guests that don't have jet power. Anyhow, so the biggest one is here, kind of focused uphill, probably the best view. It's kind of captain's chair, but we're going to give it a special name for dedication. Anyhow, very simple. So there's two switches, that are 2 dials, and one dial controls the jets on one half, the other one controls the other half, and it's a simple quarter turn to either turn it on or off. Very simple. The button in the middle is for a pretty strong LED light. You can see there's a night in here, and it has a 30 minutes timer. There is something to notice here. This little cover here is going to push it in. I might end up with a different version for that. Anyhow, 30 minutes, simple like any hotel. Turning like this will kind of dim the neighborhood lights a little bit as it kicks on at approximately 10 horsepower worth of jets and water motion in the spa. So medical people are recommending like up to 15 minutes, and then get out, cool off for a little bit, and then repeat as necessary. And we'll have some signs out there pointing out. You can set it for 15 minutes so it shuts off automatically, but it goes to a max of 30. And a couple other things. The temperature, we're not using a computerized temperature system. We have a analog adjusted temperature of 100, and we don't recommend changing that because it's pretty fickle about temperatures, and it's unsafe to use the spa if it's over 104. So we want to keep our guests' safety in mind there, and keep it around 100. So we're going to have a thermometer that floats in here, so you'll be able to check. For some reason, if it was over 104, I would probably just turn on the jets and just leave the cover open. These do radiate heat pretty quickly up into the atmosphere, so you can cool down that way. There will be a GFI. It'll be GFI protected, and the GFI will be located under the main power, where the power comes in. So anyhow, welcome to the Chapmanville house. This is our Hatfield Getaway, coming to you live from Chapmanville, West Virginia. God bless you. Safe travels. Enjoy the trip and enjoy beautiful, scenic West Virginia and the mountains. And just remember, the men of the mountain, the people of the mountain are always free. Montanae semper liberi.